Hey there art lovers, hello namaste and welcome. Today I'm gonna be painting first page of my new sketchbook. This is my brand new Manora sketchbook. Let's open it. A thank you card. This is a 4 size sketchbook, 50 sheets, that means 100 pages. All the other specifications are written over here. The pages are very smooth and white. Let's now dig right in and start sketching. The first page is very important, so I wanted to make a colorful drawing. First, I thought of drawing a divine female character, but it would have been less colorful. And since I have bought new markers, I decided to draw a page full of doodles so I can color them with my markers. I usually don't draw final illustrations in my sketchbook, but because now I'm on YouTube, I have to draw final pieces in it so I can do a sketchbook tour later on. Digit 1 in the middle indicates that this is the first sketchbook for YouTube. Talking of sketching part, it was the most fun and challenging part at the same time. I've rarely drawn doodles before, so I kept in mind to overlap the figures so it looks good. I started with easy and random shapes, then gave them cute eyes and a smile, and they came out so adorable. I tried to draw as many things as I can: clouds, aliens, planets, birds, skulls. Then, to fill remaining empty space, I drew leaves, flowers, stars, and sparkles. To line the doodles, I'm using a black sharpie. This was the most satisfying part for me. I just let my sharpie flow over the pencil lines. I also tried to add some texture here and there by using lines and dots. Just look at this puffy monster, isn't he cute? Though the ink and marker bleed through, the page under this drawing did not get affected. I think the sketchbook is good for using the markers. I also want to decorate front cover of the sketchbook. If you have any suggestions, what should I draw? Feel free to share in the comment box. Here I am inking some parts pure black to make the drawing pop. And now the color part. As you know, I am using Ohu markers. I am first laying flat color, then shading it with a darker color of same hue. Try to use different colors for neighboring doodles so it doesn't look like a blob of same color. I love this red color. It is named as vermilion. The paper handled the colors really well. If you live in India, it would be a good buy for you. I've used Brushtro sketchbooks in past, but this one is better. So this is it guys. Hope you like the drawing. Subscribe for more videos like this. I'll catch you in my next video. Bye.